So, oh my gosh, she's leaning towards 3 instead of a mystery. Oh! What's it gonna be? Oh, she doesn't know what to do. Oh, look at that. That was great. Dancing Drums Explosion. Here again at the Cosmopolitan. And our Dancing Drums Explosion.
Handpay challenge?
Yes. And we're starting off with 120. 588. If you're new to the channel, it's 20 spins at 588.
And we need 3 drums on reels 1, 2, and 3 at least to get the bonus. If you get a gold drum, you get the increased grid bonus. And then if you get a wild, you can close the pot. If you get a gold wild, you get an upgraded progressives.
Upgraded progressive, which we showed you right there.
When we qualify for the explosion.
Which is $1 million. It could happen.
Oh, there's the gold drum.
There's the gold drum. Oh,
yes!
Yes!
I got the gold drum! Oh my god.
Do I need to move the camera for you?
I'm gonna, wait, should I pick 3?
What do you want to do?
Oh,
Oh, she doesn't know what to do.
I gotta do 5.
Oh, look at that. That was
Scary.
gorgeous.
Oh yeah, but look at all those ways. 32,000 ways, baby. Oh,
So 1,024 ways is, I think, and this is only an impression I have, it's no fact, but I think normal game is half that. So, oh my gosh, she's leaning towards 3 instead of a mystery. Oh! What's it gonna be?
oh my
Woo!
gosh.
3. Let me zoom out. Let me zoom out.
Come on, reach
Oh
your
wow,
reel.
where is that screen? Look at that.
Oh, did I get anything? Oh, close the pot.
Okay. Oh,
It's
the
not a
pot's
gold
fine,
drum,
sorry.
so I don't qualify for the million, but at least I got something.
And you got the
that's
mini.
a mini.
That's $23.
Yay, I need that.
Yes, we did.
But
Let's,
I need a line hit or retrigger.
let's get back to where we were so we can see the whole screen.
We need drums on the first 2 reels to
Oh
retrigger
my
for
gosh,
3
that
more
is
spins.
awesome.
Come on, drums. All the way
Oh.
across. Oh, I missed the
Oh
fourth
no!
reel. Oh no, last spin. Please
And
retrigger,
spin
please.
3. What's spin
Please
3 going to be?
retrigger.
Retrigger?
Oh.
No? Oh, look at
$384.
look at those coins. Gems, coins, look at them all.
Not a Handpay.
Not a Handpay. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
So we got ships all the way across. Ingots only to the 4th reel. And I think that's about it.
If you look down here, oops, sorry. If you look down there right here, you can see all the combinations. And we'll zoom out again.
I'm gonna hit the button.
And so you
look
can
at
see
that.
I know, look at that.
$500.
$500.
What was that? Was that
What?
5? I think that was 5. We're so bad at this. We get somewhere like, what was that? We some time.
Oh shoot, I don't know what spin that
That
was.
was 5.
That was 5. Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at our tickets.
We're not a new channel, but sometimes we act like it.
Well, we're still amateurs.
It's just for fun, just for you guys. So,
6.
is it your spin or my spin?
Yours spin.
My spin.
That was me.
Nice job, honey. Nice job.
Oh, yeah, back to back has been awesome.
Oh,
This is 10.
that's 10? Oh no, we're halfway already?
I know.
Okay. Come on, let's close that pot again. That's the only way we can get the progressive.
Oh my gosh, come on.
Look at all those dead spins. Oh my gosh. There we go. At least we got 3 of a kind ships and ingots. I don't know if the aces count.
5 more spins.
All right. Ah, ingots. Oh.
And this is my last spin.
Oh no, we're down to me?
This is your last spin.
Oh, come on, dancing drums. Do it for me. No.
Okay, well, we didn't get our hand pay, but we did get a win. And a good win, too. Pretty sizable win.
Yes, we did. And just because we did not show our faces in the beginning, here we are.
Yep, here we are. Cosmopolitan.
Cosmopolitan.
Yeah.
Let's see. You can tell by the ceiling behind me. Yes. Cosmopolitan. All right.
Come back next week and we will try again.
Because we didn't win, we're going to have to come back next week.
Thanks for watching.